Hi, I'm not vegan, but I'm gonna try my absolute best vegan stir-fry tofu in 3 easy steps. Let me show you how. What we're working with today is the following: our brown rice, extra firm tofu, we have our spinach, broccoli, garlic, sesame seeds, and then our toppings: olive oil, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a little bit of sriracha for that little bit of spice. Step 1, mise en place. Step 2, cooking. Part 3, serving. And there it is, vegan stir-fry tofu. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Bye.